everybody! If you haven't woken up, I need you to wake the frick up, everybody! Good to see you! Come on! Who wants it? Who wants the first comment in chat? Come on, get in here, y'all. Happy Sunday. Day of rest, but we grind away. Get in. Get in, everybody. Oh, yeah. Folks, welcome to the stream, baby. Welcome. Welcome. We grit and grind, baby. Oh, my word. How are we? Let's freaking go. Hello, Ethan. How are we? My Dutch friend. How are we doing? Good to see you. Welcome to the stream, my man. We got a lot of fun stuff to be cooking up here. We are working. Y'all, how are we? Hello. Hello, hello. Folks, I am finally taking the leap of faith. We are going to be working in an agentic development environment, guys. No more of working in Google Chrome, showing people how, oh, you know, no, this is how you're gonna vibe code. I think it's very important to teach people the simplicity of vibe coding. It doesn't have to be intimidating. But y'all, if we want to be the best, we need to be organized in such a manner where we have Claude terminals, just companioning with each other, working in CoLateral, our capital command distribution center, and whatever else I need to be cooking up, y'all. So thank you for guys suggesting everything that I need to be doing to take the lead. We are working in our local little clip generator here. This is just a dev mode. But yeah, this is where I want to show you guys the funneling pipeline of how all of our content from live stream gets all the way down to text only posts. Okay, so long form videos, short form videos, podcast MP3s, carousel images, and text posts, all distributed throughout all different platforms, baby. That's how we freaking do it. Freaking rights, guys. So I'm super excited about this stream. I want to show you, we had a lot of things to catch up on our to-do list here. The first thing that we had before we put microphone just last night, our agentic development environment. I am happy to say, y'all, that we are finally working in such a thing. Warp is beautiful. It's just, I had to take like 1 hour before stream to get comfortable and how to set all this up, okay? I recommend you guys do the same. Work in an agentic development environment if you're just working in like the GPT desktop app. It is not that bad if you just take that leap. Just seriously, just take the time. Be patient with yourself. It is worth it. So we're going to take that off of my list of things to do, baby. We are working in it. Boom. Streambot setup. Guys, okay, I didn't have enough time to do this. I just love streaming, and I'm like, I got to get on. And I always, like, don't give myself enough time to do these things off stream. Like, I have to do the Streambot before. Sigma, what's going on, my man? Good to see you. I can't believe I saw you grinding the night before, and then I wake up, and you're still on stream, man. Honestly, like, I think I've been really hustling this weekend, but it's like, people like you, man, like you gave me the inspiration to even get started with this grind, so I gotta thank you so much. My man Sigma, I'm just gonna drop the Discord link in the chat here. I'm gonna pin it, and then I'd love for you to join in. We're up to like 150 people in the Discord. Really good stuff happening, man. I seriously, I'm not even joking. I just started to use Discord literally like a few days ago, and we had one of our moderators set up everything that is required to make a Discord. I had no clue like how to even navigate it, and we had a great community to show me along the way. So I am self-proclaimed the biggest boomer in the vibe coding scene right now, I promise, at the ripe age of 26. But oh, I almost just sent the link to the live stream. One moment here, guys. I will pin that. Thank you for your patience. Join the Discord. Follow that link. We'd love to have you there. We have people who are constantly in the microphone chats. We have people in general giving really good advice. If you're interested in advertising what you're working on, we 100% allow that. Throw that into one of the channels there. And we love to get feedback. We'd love to discuss what we're all building together, guys. Let's go. I'm Unk too. Yeah, baby. I call myself Boomer, but I realize Unk is the new cool thing. So, guys, Unk of the vibe coding scene. It's me and Sigma here. We are learning how this is all work together. Sigma, I can't call you Unk though. Like, yours is pretty cool where you got like the Super Saiyan hair flying. I just learned how to set up a sub counter. And just like that, look at that work live. And in the moment, baby, another subscriber. Let's freaking go. Thank you guys so much. What about my website? So I don't have a personal website. I don't have CoLateral shipped just yet. But we're going to have that working. August 1st is the launch date for that. So please be patient. It is going to come August 1st, live in public. I'm going to probably give the GitHub repository and maybe like a for sale preview to everybody just before that. You guys can play around with it. I'll have that for free to goof around. And then we will launch it, baby. It's going to be unbelievable. Lord Cat, good to see you, my man. Don't worry about the spelling of my name. You are a good man. Good to see you. Ship now, Sigma says. Don't wait. I know. Just ship it now and then deal with bugs as you go. I understand. I literally just learned how to start working in an agentic environment as such here. So I want to make sure that I can set up all these things. I know. Just ship it. I got to learn how to ship it. I got to learn how to actually like deploy the website and then have the desktop application cooking. So that's what today's stream is going to be. It is going to be a very, very awesome, productive stream, guys. We're going to learn lots. We're going to be very organized, and distribution of content is a big thing that I want to accomplish today. I'm hoping we could stream for about 7 hours. Lots of good work done. You just need tokens. Are you talking like for an API? Dream Boy, what's going on, my man? Good to see ya. I see 19 people in the stream already. I said I wouldn't use terminals. I didn't lie. I just, you know what? Okay, so this is the reasoning, guys. This is exactly the reasoning. And by the way, Sigma, I know you're concerned. I remember I was watching one of your streams and I saw that you're watching my stream, and then I turned up the volume and there was a concern about copyrighted music. Don't worry, I am using a royalty-free live streaming playlist, and so far using this, I've not gotten a copyright strike. So don't worry about that. I just wanted to clarify that to you guys. I do want to eventually throw in some AI music, and I want to be able to vibe code that so that we have that for live streaming, so then that way we're not just playing a random Spotify playlist that I found. Just need tokens to fix all bugs, Cloudflare or GCP good. I've not used Vercel. I do not advise AWS, too expensive. Yeah, it is. Cloudflare, yeah, definitely gonna need that for like a sign-in. Teach us how to use Claude Code. I'm just 17, Dream Boy. Good to see you here, starting young, starting fresh. You were doing the right thing by joining this movement at the ripe age of 17. Guys, even if you're 67 years old, there is never a better time to get started on your dreams than today, baby. And you are come to the right place. We are grit grinding away, trying to accomplish magnificent things. You guys are absolutely showing up in chat right now. Do I have Dutch roots? Of course, I'm half Dutch, hence the beautiful long Dutch last name, Van de Wettering. Means from the water. I'm thinking start my stream in my journey soon, inspired by you. Aaron, that means the world to hear that. Thank you so much for saying that I could possibly an inspiration to. I highly recommend it, man. Like, you have nothing to lose in streaming your progress. I literally saw it as like, even if I had 0 viewers, I'm just documenting my journey and I'm practicing like talking in front of a camera. Like, it's literally free to upload, and like you guys showing up is just like a benefit of it all. So seriously, take the jump and go live stream your progress, man. Don't worry about, oh, but what are people gonna think? Is it like copying an idea? Am I gonna like, how many views am I gonna get? Don't worry about the views. Literally just stream it, man. Just stream it. They will come if you provide an exceptional product. What are we building, Keto? I'm gonna show you right here. We are, first of all, building a capital command center, which is going to take all of our live streams and drip it down into long form videos, short form videos, MP3 files, and carousels, all the above, text files, everything that we can distribute to all different types of social media platforms. Just don't share your API keys, 100%. I made that mistake way before. Realized, like, I would share it with ChatGPT, and I'd be like, okay, what do I do with this? And it's like, well, first of all, don't show me. Greetings from the Netherlands. Good to see ya. Give it up for Joe P from the Netherlands. I'm from Canada, so that's why I'm only like half Dutch. Who doesn't copy an idea and improvise it? Sorry, yeah, I should have not said copy idea. Rather, the intent is like you were inspired by an idea, and then you have to have your own personal spin. If you just copy someone word for word verbatim, no one's gonna watch you, because why would they watch you when they can see the original source themselves, right? You gotta have your personal brand, your personal spin to it. So make sure that you are implementing that. What if you're building a clipping automation? I'm working on it. I can share things. Oh yeah, if you are in my Discord, my man, I just pinned it in the chat. I want to connect with you there. Yeah, share whatever you got. I know like a lot of people in that Discord are actually working on like distribution centers. So yeah, any ideas you want to drop, please bring it. Distillation is better than copying. Yep, copying exactly. Like you're not incentivized to copy. Like there's no benefit in it. YouTube will strike the crap out of you if you are like literally taking other people's content, and then if you're copying it, again, they will not, the algorithm will not come your way. Okay, guys, so I want to show you, here real quick. So we are building in CoLateral. So far, I want to be working in 2 Claude sessions and 1 Codex session. The idea for Claude is like, maybe I could like have 2 things back and forth, one for like main general idea, one for like fine tuning things in CoLateral. And then Codex, I think it's just magnificent for back-end enhancements. And then our capital command, at first this was capital command. I want to like rename it to like some distribution pipeline. Same idea, some UI fixes and 2 Claude sessions, and then Codex for back-end launching. The hackathon stream was so much fun. Thank you for saying that, my man. I had a blast. That hackathon taught me I need to be much more organized, and so that's why working in an agentic environment is the way to go. What ADE is this? This is Warp. This is a free to download agentic environment. So guys, I highly recommend you go check it out. Code BAM, we are moving up in the world. So I'm gonna set up like, so we have CoLateral, capital command. A third one that I could probably be setting up. I just like to have these different tabs. New tab configuration. Oh, that ain't the one. We'll remove that from group. Oh, what did I do here? Close that. Oh, fudge nuts. Did I just close CoLateral or capital command? Guys, I'm still learning as we go. X Scripts, what's going on, my man? I'll show you in just a moment here, just setting up my my new world here. The new way of working, guys. How do I set new tab configuration? Where is it? New tab. Oh, they're just down here. Whoopsies, guys. This isn't a tab. How do I get a group tab? Do you guys see group tab? New group tab. Oh, guys, I'm so blind. I think I'm just overwhelmed just seeing 26 of you guys in the stream right now. So I am absolutely pumped. So this will be like miscellaneous fun stuff. And we'll cook this up with like a Claude. And then a Codex. Oh, it did a silly. There we go. Just like that, guys. That's how you set up a new environment. You stay organized that way. We learned the hard way. So CoLateral. That's a shame. We lost our Capital Command Center, so maybe I'll just... we're going to clean a bunch of this up. Settings, keep that at the bottom. Sure thing. These were just like little chats that I had. Oh, running process. That's not a... No. We'll allow that. Git work tree solves everything. Yep, working in that. Still working just like in these terminals here. They're just going to push pull requests to main as we go via all the different trees. So don't you worry. Thank you guys for jumping me up to 820 subscribers. I'm really hoping we can get to 900 today. And if we get to 1,000, I have a big time surprise for y'all. So if you haven't already, make sure you like the stream. It goes such a long way in terms of bringing the algorithm to people who love vibe coding. And subscribing, man. Like, you don't want to miss out on what we were doing here on this channel. Miscellaneous. Okay. And yeah, for some reason I did lose my Capital Command, which stinks. Capital Command just being my clip generator and distribution center. It's also where we get some like segment decks, like promotion videos, some CoLateral intros. Cool stuff there. Oliver is awake! What is up, my man? Good to see ya! Y'all showing up for this stream. 38 people on right now. Oliver, we are working in an agentic environment, guys. It's a tad overwhelming, but I ain't scared of nothing. Okay, I want to make sure that we're working in our Capital Command Center. So... Actually, I'm going to move this over here. There we go. Okay. I need you to be connected to my Capital Command Center, so take a look for my local file there and ensure that we're connected to GitHub repository. I had that set up, and then I think I accidentally deleted it, y'all. Oh, no, it was just, it was ungrouped. Silly me. We'll group that together. Gonna get to 1K subs today. One subscription at a time, guys, will get us to 1,000. Oh, there we go. Capital Command. There we go. Okay, and I'll just tell Puppy here. Never mind, don't worry about it. Stop. All right. You just do all clear. Oh, shoot. Guys, I'm not used to terminals, so I don't know what... I gotta clear that. / clear. Oh, how do I stop it? Stop. There we go. And then clear. Oh. Can't spell. That is very important. Okay. Well, we'll let it do its thing. That's fine. All right. I can't use agentic environment and hit usage limit in like 10 minutes. So is that the case in which like this terminal environment... Oh, or are you just saying because you run so many different tabs that it just gets... it just cooks up your usage? That could be the case then. So guys, we're just going to spend the next little bit setting this up, getting cleaned up, making sure we have something working in CoLateral. That means we won't have to work in like a Vercel preview anymore. I can show you the true desktop application for this puppy. So we're going to set that up. That's going to be a back-end thing. I just want to see. So guys, like I said, Codex, unbelievable for back-end stuff. Quad code, great for front end. We're going to split this up here. I'm going to spawn in another Codex agent. Okay, I want you to make sure that we're actually connected to our local folder for CoLateral, as well as our GitHub And I want to be able to spawn in. I want to show like a local preview of CoLateral, like the Tari application, like ready to go. So spawn this in for me, please. And I'm gonna have it connect to our, oh, it's already connected to it, so there we go. So we'll see if that's able to hop in and show us our local file. So then that way we don't have to just boot up a Vercel preview every single time. Xscripts asks, do I ever use Kimi? You know what? I do not use Kimi. I hear it's a very expensive model, and I'm already kind of like weary about how expensive Claude is. I'm just cheap, okay? I'm just cheap. I really like the idea of trying to get infinite usage out of a model. I don't like the idea of having to like have to conserve at all times, but I will have to experiment with all these different models, because guys, the goal here on this channel is we want to be the best vibe coders ever. We want to distribute vibe coding to everyone in the world, regardless of their coding experience. And in order to do that, we have to truly like play with all the different models and be the best at every single one of them. So one step at a time, y'all. I just want to be absolutely clear that I love Claude and I love Codex, but I'm willing to play with some different models. I'd love to play with Grok eventually too. So yeah, we're gonna boot up that, and then Capital Command, we already have that working away. Kimi is not as expensive as Claude. Interesting. Maybe like in terms of Fable 5, that's just ridiculously expensive. Okay. Oh, this is just in a dev mode here. So if I wanted to see it like actually run a real thing, different themes that we can cook in. I like the purple Dracula theme, guys. Oh, we gotta upload a photo and call ourselves something here, y'all. Nick Van de Wettering. Let's call ourselves Daddy Nick, actually, because I want my distribution system to recognize that I am Daddy first and foremost. Okay. So that's gonna be saved. Disappointing though, because it shows the profile picture here, but not here. So I'm gonna send that as a quick little first prompt of the day, y'all. Well, we had some other like, this is really the first prompt of the day. So let's send that off. Let us do what we gotta do. Having some trouble pasting here, actually. I just sent a screenshot. Yeah, for some reason, why can't I do a screenshot there? Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, well, let's work away here with the first prompt of the day. I need you to have it such that the profile picture and the name that we choose is presented here on the top left corner. Not just here in settings, but like get rid of the NV in purple. It should be the profile picture and name that we chose. Gemini, Google Cloud give generous API tokens for all their models for a trial account for about 3 months. Yeah, I'll have to check that out. Have you given your product free to customers yet? I will be giving my distribution center. Once I get this cleaned up and everything that I'm really proud of all set up in here, I will give it onto my Discord for anyone to utilize it. So if you are very interested in being able to distribute your live streams into short form content, carousels, and everything, I will be posting that in the Discord. Oh, yeah. Is anyone else working in an agentic environment like this? I'm just curious, because there's different modes here. There's accept edits, plan mode. I know what plan mode is because that's just in the Codex and Claude desktop mode. There's auto mode, manual mode. So I'm just curious, what's the difference between accept edits and auto mode? Because it seems like you're automatically accepting edits. I just want it like YOLO mode, where it doesn't have to ask me permissions every single time, you know? I need you to have it such that he's already speaking bridge speak, LOL. It's a bad habit I have, man. Like, I don't have to say, I need you to have it such that. Just start with the prompt. I know. Because, you know what, guys? I'm trying to whisper flow max. And we're already up to 173,000 words. And I will look how many times I need you to actually, hold on, new report. I think this will tell you auto mode always for me. Okay, I'm going to change it to auto mode. Auto mode is YOLO mode. Thank you. That's exactly what I needed. Okay, guys, so look at that pull requester. So we just got our insights from Whisperflow based on 170,000 words gapped. We have pull requester. Your dictations frequently focus on managing and executing pull requests, especially within GitHub repositories. Voice helps you efficiently navigate coding tasks, ensuring seamless updates and integrations across projects. You know it, baby. Merge pull requests to main. Yeah, so I was doing that when my Codex desktop app wasn't even actually like connecting to different projects. Like, that's how unorganized I was. So now I'm really happy that we're in an ADE. Need is my most used word because I always start my prompts with I need you to. Try to get out of that habit, guys. And most corrected word, like. I am a 16-year-old girl because I say like every 4 words. And I need to get rid of that bad habit. Sometimes I just get nervous and I can't think of things. And like is a filler word. So I'm glad they get rid of that. Sunday at 12 p.m. is my peak time. That's pretty much almost when we started this stream, but I don't know if it is. Guys, we just grind every day, so we don't have a peak time, to be honest. So we'll keep cooking away. Why don't you build an app like Whisperflow yourself by vibe coding? Because I would still have to like pull in API keys. Like, it wouldn't cost me less, would it? I like how, guys, I told it to, look at this. Photo, Nick, creator, daddy, YouTube. Like, I love working in a terminal, guys. This is amazing. You don't get this in the desktop application. Keep as is. So yeah, this was accept edit modes on. I'm going to change it to YOLO mode, auto moving forward. Because I just wanted to know, like, obviously, like, just give me the defaults. Grind, grind, grind. I think your personality is exactly what streaming requires. Well, thank you for saying that, my man. You need to be fun, passionate about what you're doing, because if you're just doing a like no talking stream, just even typing your prompts, people are not going to be engaged with that. People are not going to want to learn from you. I've always been excited about, you know, teaching stuff, so I thought, streaming, let's give it a shot. Let's try it out. And yeah, I absolutely love it. So thank you. Day 24, generated revenue, $0. Sounds sad. Yes, it is a little sad, I'll admit. But I'm passionate about it. The one thing that I will say is, of course, when my day 0 or my day 1 was truly a day 1. Like, I bought myself a new computer and I started CoLateral from the beginning. People say, like, their day 1 begins as soon as they launch their app. I haven't even launched my app, right? So I honestly shouldn't even expect revenue until August 1st. And even that, I think, is a bit ambitious. So I'm going to be patient, so I'm not too worried. You can see my sad streams here. Guys, make sure you go check out the sad streams. Revenue is a hard thing to come by. And you know what, too? I think, like, working in an ADE like this just seems a little, like, more interesting to take a peek at. There's lots more text going on. It just seems like, holy crap, this guy's locked in. But in reality, like, we're only working on one thing at a time, right? So Capital Command is open. Okay, that was just Capital Command Center. I gotta take a look at CoLateral, see. Oh, action. That action required. So that's the thing, is this terminal wasn't really giving me the notification saying it was waiting for my... It wasn't giving me the notification to say, hey, you need to answer this. So guys, we're going to switch this all to YOLO mode. Hey, Codex, moving forward, you need to be in YOLO mode, so don't even bother asking me for permissions and stuff. Just rep. Sending that off. Hopefully it just remembers that. Yeah. Okay. Working in different branches, sending pull requests. It's all coming together so well, guys. If you guys tuned in, auto mode will skip those. Yeah, thank you. That's what we're going to do moving forward. You don't need an API key to build app like Whisperflow because small voice models can run locally, bro. Please once try it. Okay, Dream Boy. I think, you know what? We are going to try to vibe code our own because it costs me like 15 bucks a day, or a day. If it did, no. It cost me 15 bucks a month in order to actually use Whisperflow. And if I have my own local, like it's worth it. It's worth it. So I will put that in my to-do list of things that I want to work on. I did say microphone. So we can work on that today. Guys, one thing that I want to say about my microphone is local whisper. Well, they spell it like whisper flow. Something like that. So guys, we have a lot of stuff to vibe code. I was working on an automatic push-up detector. So anytime, guys, we get to the push-ups here, it's able to literally detect me going up and down, and then that's able to actually subtract from our push-up counter here. Now, what I've been doing, guys, is we have changed our push-up conversion to 1 subscriber equals 1 push-up, and we do them every 50 subscribers. I do a 50 bomb. So actually, I failed to pay off my debt of 770 push-ups. I want to actually like get this going. So I will keep up and I will hold on to my debt of 770. Once we get this auto push-up detector going, then we're really gonna get like flying with it. That's open source Whisperflow. Just use that. Sorry, did I miss something? J35, my man, what's going on? Thanks for helping me cheat in yesterday's hackathon. If you guys didn't know, J35 blessed us with a couple of little bits of doom scrolling vibe-coded mobile apps. Oh, wow. So we got CoLateral, guys, boot up. That took a long time. That took like 10 minutes, and it does like a hideous version of our Beam Buddy guy. But that is completely okay. So that won't send us anywhere. This is where we have to update our Tari application. But I just got to make sure that this is up to date with our latest and greatest. Yeah, you know what? This is problematic. I don't think it pulled everything up to date with what we have on Vercel. That being like our GitHub repository. So we are going to have it ensure that our local and our GitHub repository are all beautifully up to date. Hey, you need to take a look at our GitHub repository because the way that I preview this on Vercel is different from how this desktop application is presenting. So I need you to ensure that we are up to date with the GitHub repository. Keep pushing. Absolutely, I will, my man. What's up, Rad Wolf? Good to see you here again. People have made free to use Whisperflow alternatives. Don't create your own. I was thinking about that. A lot of things about like vibe coded apps, man. People like to reinvent the wheel. And it's fun. It's like fun experience to create your own. But we have so many products to keep pushing, guys. If there is free Whisperflows out there, and personally, like I won't make my own. It's we just have so many more things that we want to work on that I'm gonna save my time. So I'll keep Whisperflow up there because eventually we have to implement that. Push-up detector. Bro, just use Handy Computer. It's a free. Yeah, so Handy. I think that's the one we gotta do. Let's take a look at it. I don't know if I can actually implement it. Do you think we can do that right now on stream here? Probably. Like just sub out Whisperflow and then implement Handy, play with that. And then if it works well, guys, I'm willing to cancel my Whisperflow subscription today. Okay? So let's do it. All the best, bro. Nothing gone. Thank you so much. We are on our journey, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, let's get that to 830 subscribers. And guys, you showed up on liking our streams. Oh my word. Guys, there was one stream we have. I want to show you this. One stream we had. This is the one. Potential Ernie. No, that's not the one. How come I can't see my likes on this? Videos. Let's just go here. No, it is live. Rats. Okay. One of these guys, we had 300 and something likes there. This is probably the one. Guys, I'm also booting up. So this is Handy, the open source speech to text application that works completely offline. So that one, we got 300 likes on that, guys. That was back at 600 subscribers, so thank you so much. Make sure you like this stream too. Okay, guys, I'm going to download, search Whisper CPP. So I see some people are saying Handy, some people are saying Whisper CPP. Yeah, we got two options. It's local voice model, so lightweight. Lightweight, baby. Yeah, what do you guys recommend? Handy or Whisper CPP? I'll do Whisper CPP. I don't mind. Oh, there's a snake though. It kind of scares me. I don't know. Okay, so in order to get this going, I should probably read the MD. Oh, this is cool. You should set up a stream bot. Yeah, Oliver, I am silly. Stream bot should be the next thing I set up. The only thing is I got to do it off stream because obviously, like, if I set up like Atom, which is an OBS extension, then I have to cut out Restream, which cuts out this stream. So I'm gonna have to do that off stream, but oh my word, it's so hard because I end up just streaming every single living, waking moment of my life because I love it. Okay, sorry, just working away on this. YOLO mode. You know, we might have to. You just ask Claude Code to set it up. Yeah, you know what? You're 100% right. Guys, the big thing to learn about vibe coding is that you don't have to know anything yourself. You literally just need to know that you can ask anything. Okay, so this is what we're going to do, y'all. I'm going to show you how it is done. First and foremost, I'm going to do this. Okay. Okay, so miscellaneous. We're going to call this Whisper. So this is everything we're going to set up for Whisper. Action required. No, don't do anything differently. Didn't I tell you to clear you? I'm going to just kill ya. Kill ya. I don't care. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Whisper here. Whisper CPP. What is up, Paint, baby? Good to see you, my man. We have finally set up an agentic environment. I need you to set up Whisper CPP onto my computer here. Do everything you can automatically, and whatever you can't do, just give me step-by-step instructions. What project are we building? What are we not building, my man? CoLateral, the All-in-One Engineering Workspace of the future is one of them. Structural engineering tools, all in one beautiful place. You can have John Cena fight you. We're launching this August 1st, and then, of course, our Capital Command Distribution Center, all social media, trickling down into beautiful shorts, carousels, text-only formats. Oh, and there's an internal server because I'm working on it somewhere else, so we'll have to be patient with that, guys. All right. So we just asked, set us up. Oh, did I not YOLO mode this? Fudge nuts. Shift tab to cycle. Can you still YOLO mode there? All right. Fantastic. Yeah, I am new to the channel. Daz Dev, welcome to the channel, my man. Thank you so much for being here. I just realized, guys, so I switched to my Toshiba because this monitor here, I'm setting up as my OBS. But now you can't see my YouTube subscriber count here. So I'm going to have to make sure we add that. So is it just socials? Yeah, it's that. So we're just going to have to add a source scene called socials. There we go. Kill you. Unbelievable. Here we go. Guys, let's get to 830 subs today. I know we can do it. They're all a little different. Does anyone know how on OBS, like, you can have it where, like, throughout the different scenes, it doesn't change the location? Whatever. We're amateurs for now. Let's bump that up, baby. What are we trying to do with Whisper Paint? We've been told that we can get some local models ripping on our computer here that are absolutely free and open source. So I'm going to try to see if we can replace WhisperFlow with one of these. And if that's the case, I will cancel my WhisperFlow subscription and save the $15 a month for something else. Whisper CPP is not an app, it's just a voice model. You should add the feature yourself by vibe coding, bro. I know you from Bridgemine. Welcome from Bridgemine, my man. Good to see you here. Guys, we're already up to 69 viewers. How nice is that, guys? Keep them coming. Tell your aunts, tell your uncles to join the stream because big things are about to come, y'all. 830. Let's freaking go. Okay, we're going to keep cooking. We're just setting up, guys. This is all new to us, this new agentic environment. So please be patient with me while I'm trying to cook this all together. I asked CoLateral to... Why is that baked for 5 seconds? Oh, that was just to you know, clear, like, gets rid of context. So we have 2 codec sessions cooking here. One of them says CoLateral's connected and run locally Tori desktop app. I did not pull because the workplace contains existing uncommitted Tori changes. Separate CLI. Okay, but the whole point is that this Tari desktop application needs to update as per our latest merged main as per the GitHub repository. So you need to do this. Send that puppy off, baby. Well, AGI will be at its peak. AGI is a fun term to talk about. Artificial General Intelligence. It won't peak because we'll just get better and better. With AGI, we can literally make more AGI, if that makes sense. It builds upon itself, man. Like, we won't peak until human existence is no longer a thing. Yepers. So, yeah, that closed upon itself. So if I go back here, our Capital Command Center, that's just because we made a change. Okay. Now, okay, I didn't want it to change it such that it would mess up our local host viewing there. Uh-oh. I have everything frozen on my screen right... There we go. Guys, like Oliver is saying, like the stream so more people just like you interested in vibe coding are able to come to this community. We can learn a couple things from all of each other. Good things are about to come. Oh yeah, why is this not all YOLO mode? Thanks for the patience, guys. Just setting up our ADE for the first time. I don't know why there's a group mode there. Okay. Setting up this Whisper Flow on our desktop, running away. Set that up. We're going to set up another center here for our push-up application. So new tab group. Push-up tracker. And this is going to consist of a Claude. Fudge, don't. Guys, we are looking to get rid of WhisperFlow because they add periods at the end of our sentences. How dare they? And one codex. Spectacular. And we're just going to configure. I need you to look for, hold on, it's already in my GitHub repository. So we're going to pull that up, Jamie. Hello, everyone! CJ Web Design! Good to see you here, my man! Let's get to work, baby! Oh, yeah! Just going to pull up our GitHub repository for getting our push-up counter here. Guys, the goal is to get everything on our to-do list done today. Lots and lots and lots of things getting going. Guys, if we get ourselves up to 850 subs, I will drop a 50 bomb of push-ups. I will be standing up, getting hyped up. Which year will AGI come? Great question. Ready my message, man. You could just download that, bro. There's no... Bro, no way. There's literally a repo doing that completely for free, even with an API free. Yeah, so Paint's telling me I would have to... What are you trying to do with Whisper? That's what I'm saying, Paint, is people are saying, like, you can literally have it set up for free. I'm like, no way. Like, that would cost anyone money. Like, that's not free. Like, if that was the case, WhisperFlow would be out of business big time. But she ain't. Okay, so we have Claude cooking in here. Let her fly, baby. I'm just going to have it look for my repository for push-up counter. Oh, come on, baby. All right. Send this over to our agent here. Oh. Okay, here we are. Fudge nuts. How do I copy and freaking paste a... Guys, I am new to this whole terminal world. There we go. This is our repository for our push-up counter. You are going to be working in this moving forward. So I need you to take a look at the user interface of this and show me ways that we can enhance it. And overall, just ensure that our couple of pull requests that we did just 2 streams ago seem to be working with each other and push to main. If they aren't, make sure you push them yourself. And I want to eventually have a working example of this ready to implement into OBS. What a prompt, eh? It's just a voice model. You should add the feature yourself by vibe coding, bro. Let me get my MacBook and send the repo on Discord. See, I've gotten like 3 recommendations for Whisper CPP is just voice model, which converts voice to text. There'd be a lot of work to do to make the app like WhisperFlow. Just ask Claude. Yeah, we have Claude. Taking a look at that. And now it is telling us here. Done is built and working. Tools you now have. Restart your terminal. GPU accelerations. Widget install. Bigger models. Yeah, that's going to be a lot of work. Again, it's not a priority, guys, so I'm going to hold on to that. Of course, we have it organized here. Click on Discord general chat. Take a look. Guys, if you haven't joined the Discord, I just have it pinned in the chat here on YouTube. Make sure you go take a peek at that. Lots of people yapping away, telling great stories about their progress and great community involvement, y'all. Free flow. Alternative to Whisper flow. So what do I do with this then? Like what's this compared to Whisper CSS? Free flow. Oh, so it is like the actual application, right? So I'm taking a peek here, guys. Look, Mom, I'm talking with no hands. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yeah, let me know what that goes. Oh, wait, you're on Windows. Yep. Everyone loves Windows now, eh? Guys, you remember just a few years ago, Windows was like the GOAT. Mac sucked because like nothing worked with it, and now everything is flipped. Yeah, I see this is Swift here. Yeah, that's okay. All is well. Okay, gonna take a peek at our push-up tracker. Thinking away. I need you to go into our push-up tracker GitHub repository, and we need to start having like a local working document for this, so that we could actually run the preview on it. There. Not true. Linux is better than all now. Yep, the tides are turning. Free flow has a lot less work to do. Yeah. Bro, use bridge voice. Yep, could be. Don't have bridge mind, but we hope to be working with the next best thing. I am BridgeMind's #1 fan, guys, though. If you thought you were his #1 fan, I'm sorry. You'll have to accept #2 because I'm already there at #1, baby. There's also Type Whisper. Yeah, there are so many different options, guys. I'll say this. Like, I love Whisper Flow. It is so snappy. It works really well. I'm a big fan of it. Like, I don't mind paying for it. Like, it's a good service. It's a good product, you know? But eventually it would be cool to be able to vibe code my own, you know? Imagine giving BridgeMind money, though. I'm a fan of him, man. I'm a fan. I would support him. I'd want to buy his merch. How cool would it be if I had, like, a BridgeMind hat, y'all? Okay, our CoLateral. Let's take a look at this. Guys, I love this working agentic environment so much because everything is organized now between all my different projects. Like, that was the thing. I have so many different working projects that now it is literally in one application here that I'm not, like, going back and, like, trying to find things. It is just messy there. J35's BridgeMind's head admin. Let's frickin' go. Yeah, cheaper for BridgeMind subscription because they give you the AD and everything else there. I'm curious, yeah. I was looking at BridgeMind earlier today. How much do they cost? Because I say they, as in it's not Matthew Miller himself. How much does it cost? $16 a month for the basic. You get Bridge Space, you get your BridgeMind account, of course. Multi-agent swarms, Bridge Assistant. So yeah, Bridge Voice is in the $40 a month one. So you wouldn't, like, you get the AD, sure. You get Bridge MCP, Bridge Shot on Mac OS only. Again, man, like, I love BridgeMind, so I'd love to be supporting him. So I'm keeping that in my back pocket for sure, baby. Sigma has over 100 projects in his mono repo. That is bonkers. That is absolutely insane. We are just working away in a couple here. I want to see how my... still working away for the push-up counter, guys. That is completely fine. I think we had a problem. Oh, goodness. Don't ask again. Yeah, how do you YOLO mode in codex terminals? I need you to give me step-by-step instructions on how I can YOLO mode in codex terminals. Because it's easy for Claude. I just cycle into auto mode on. How do I get this for my codex ones here? Sending a screenshot. Vin's asking, is Bridgemine that good? I think he's I love everything he's doing. He was a big inspiration for getting me started. So, yeah, anyone who's a paying member of Bridgemine, let Vinny know. There's a 69% discount if you use Opus 5. That's good to know. Aryan, yeah. Yeah, if you'd love to do some thumbnail design for me, man, just join the Discord and send me a DM, or you can like take it up with the general chat if you want to talk about giving other people thumbnails. Yeah, I'd love to see some ideas, man. So best way to reach me is via Discord, guys. All in production for my live stream. Yeah, guys, go check out Sigma Shake Incorporated. He is vibe coding until he makes $1 trillion, because $1 billion ain't gonna do it, y'all. He's been on a grind. I am like blown away by his production quality on his live streams. He he has Super Saiyan hair. I don't know if it's his real one or not. I don't know. Oh my word, guys. Okay. Sorry, our push-up counter just decided, yeah, let's start working. So that cooked for 4 minutes, 36 seconds. Guys, so this is just our little, this is a camera HTML. So I think okay. I don't know if this is what we intended. Like, the goal of this is we are trying to have it so my camera here, YouTube API key, it's not connected to YouTube. It just simply needs to be a vibe coded thing that you push up and it reduces this number. Okay? Miscount, start camera. Holy crap. Okay, guys, we might actually try this out. Allow while visiting the site. Camera in use. It's probably not going to work because we're streaming right now. Goodness, I hate having tasks that I have to do off stream because I just love streaming so much to you guys that I'm like, oh, why would I do that? Tracking unavailable. Okay, well, I'm just going to clarify. This is the control page. Or this is the control page. Abdul, welcome to the stream, my man. I'll show you here. We're just building a push-up counter. So every time I do a push-up, it reduces the amount of push-ups I do. If you want to give me +1 push-up, the subscription button will do such a thing. Would love to have you join us here in the beautiful world of vibe coding, guys. Camera link. Open camera. Yeah, so it won't. Tracking unavailable. Okay, so not too shabby. So I'm going to give this to Claude. I noticed this terminal's not great at shooting the screenshots in there. Or can I not give it a screenshot after I cook in here? Yeah, this is disappointing. Like, it should just be Control-V still, no? Okay, great work. This is okay for now. I want it, like, you showed me that I need a YouTube API, so that's not necessary. Rather, it just needs to be a program that when I'm, like, streaming, like, maybe you could do it where it's, like, share screen, and then, like, it's able to see my stream on OBS, for example. And then, like, when I do a push-up on my OBS stream, then you're able to detect it there and reduce the amount of push-ups. And then like the thing that I require at the end of the day is just a transparent white text push-up counter that I can then overlay on to my OBS. So you need to change the functionality of this to provide that. And yeah, like give a share screen feature on this in order to do that. All right, Tuppy the Third, what is up, my man? And we got Mark here too. Mark was just grinding away late night last night on his stream. Good to see you here. Tuppy! Am I from a tech background? No, I'm from a structural engineering background, but I am interested in changing the world one vibe-coded program at a time, y'all. Our push-up counter, getting its way there. That way I won't have to manually do them. Guys, subscribe. Oh, just like that. You see that? Great example. If you subscribe, I will do a push-up. We will be doing 50 push-ups at 850 subscribers. We're climbing our way up. Thank you guys so much. He has a separate cam for push-ups. That's right, baby. This is our push-up cam down here. Got to get that working very soon. Sorry, I'm just going to kill... We have a blight, just a dark screen with nothing there. Yeah, and this is our main screen. This is our basement that we're trying to vibe code our way out of, guys. So join in on the journey, baby. Don't miss a thing. Okay, webcam is held by another app. So it's working away at the push-up counter pretty well. I'm happy with that. Our capital command center, it's able to... I just want to make sure that this was a pull request that successfully went up to our GitHub repository. Potentially. So this one had to like kill our port 3000 for our localhost preview. Yeah, okay, there's the pull request right at the bottom. Okay. So we're happy, guys. I did ask for it to show me, and that's why I got to stay organized with YOLO mode. Where did I ask how to YOLO mode on Codex? Where was that? It was on the Claude terminal here. Oh, it was probably this one, silly me. Yeah, YOLO mode on Codex. So option 1 right now, it is already open, Codex pane. Oh, approvals. Because, I don't know, I already told Codex YOLO mode and it wasn't doing that, so. / approvals. Or approve. Approve one retry in a recent auto-renew denial. Interesting, guys. Okay, all my Codex terminals need to be on YOLO mode. As a result, you need to auto-push things. Don't ask me for permissions every single time, please. Make sure that this applies to all my Codex terminals moving forward, baby. What is that giant Red Bull thing? It is my Red Bull refrigerator, baby. This is where if I get a little tired, I need a caffeine bump. Which, you know what? I could use one. I could use one, baby. This is where we get it, because we are getting close to 850 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I will grab myself a Red Bull, because I had myself coffee. It was good. It was good. But we're going to go grab ourselves another Red Bull, because we are going to be streaming for like the next 6 hours, baby. Come on. Come on. The goal is to eventually be sponsored by Red Bull. There are 2 ways in which I approach this. Approach 1 is that I don't show off Red Bull at all. Like, I cover it up and say, like, Red Bull, if you want me to sponsor or show you off, you gotta sponsor me. The other option is just we drink the crap out of it, so then we're known as that guy who drinks Red Bull, you know? I'm going with option B, baby, because, streaming takes up a lot of energy. It's a lot of fun. You guys give me energy, but you also need a little bit of this here too to keep on cooking. So guys, join me on this adventure where we will get ourselves a Red Bull sponsorship. Take a look over here. Back in this world, I think I said run YOLO mode and everything's red now. Well, that's not good. Was this where we said YOLO mode? Yeah, of course. Is YOLO mode now turning everything red? Just rip away, man. Just rip. Okay. I want to show you guys, we have ourselves, so this is our white transparent text. This is our tracker that we could then send to OBS. It's saying 480 left. So I want to see, would I actually be able to sauce that into OBS on our push-up counter right here, you know? Monster left the chat. Yeah, they don't stand a chance, baby. Unless, Monster, do you want a sponsorship? Then I will literally throw this fridge out. Okay, Monster? If you want to sponsor our streams, she gone. So that is the approach that we're taking, guys, for sponsorships. I will show off Red Bull, and if the competition wants to come in, I will literally do a stream in which I take a baseball bat and beat up this fridge, okay? But Red Bull, I won't do that. I will be loyal to you. I will cherish you. I will kiss this fridge if you sponsor. So, guys, we got competition fighting for us, baby. Who wants it? Who wants it? Come on, baby. Let's freaking go, boss. That's right. I need to change that chair. What's wrong with the chair? It's not a gaming chair. This is a stand-up desk, by the way, guys. So I need a bar stool. I can't just have an office. If I had an office chair, I'd be prompting like this, okay? Unacceptable. Unacceptable. Oh, my word, guys. We got some updates over at our push-up counter. For some reason, it just decided to tell us right here the two merge PRs do work together. I didn't ask for it to build me an HTML to, like, give everything here. I just want the overlay. I literally just want the overlay, and then, oh, I'm a Donnie. Of course I wanted it to increase my push-ups with subscribers and then decrease when I do them. That's, of course, what we want to do, right, guys? So you go to school. I graduated from university in structural engineering, so I'm working as a structural engineer full-time, doing this part-time, but I say part-time. Guys, we grind every freaking day. It's getting dark outside, so we're turning on the light here, y'all. Good to see ya. Bro, what do you mean integrate into OBS? Just like our subscriber counter, I just need an overlay that shows our running count. Okay, this is not bad, guys. I'm just a little... There's a lot of instruction here that's confusing me. So 2 defects found in PRs, fixed in PR3. Amazing. Where the interface has the most room. Yes, as long as this is transparent. So... Ooh, and do you think a bar kind of showing like progress towards, say, like 1,000 subs, for example, would be interesting? That'd be cool. Okay, this is very well done. We need to ensure that the white text shows up transparent here. Amazing, guys. So... OBS source, yeah, I literally just paste the HTML in there. And then it gives me a button. But where would that button be placed? That's a great question. I wouldn't need a button to replace anything. I don't want to manually override anything. I literally want it where if I gain a subscriber... I'm just going to tell Claude that. Okay, so I don't want a button in which I... can manually override the push-ups because that is cheating. I love my subscribers and I need to seriously give them a push-up for when they subscribe. Therefore, I need it where it tracks on my stream my YouTube subscriber count If that goes up, it like +1 subscriber, the push-up counter goes up 1. And then in addition to that, when it tracks me doing a push-up, it subtracts 1. It just has to function as simple as that. So please implement this. Get rid of any button or any login thing and have this as a simple overlay ready for OBS. Boom. Sending that off. We got that cooking up there in a Claude terminal. Guess we don't need those codex ones, but that is okay. Oh, I'm an idiot, guys. I'm working in fudge nuts. Yeah, this was CoLateral. Whoopsies. I thought it would be so organized working in this, but they all look the same. So I gotta have it where it has like a red highlight or something. How do I like cancel or stop? Stop it. Stop it. Never mind. Wrong repository. Are my views working today on YouTube? Yeah. So guys, if you didn't know, we got botted the other day. We had like 3,000 people watching on stream. And obviously like that, I knew that was not 3,000 people that just jumped in all at once. YouTube, well, that like dropped down on itself. And then I looked onto my YouTube analytics. It didn't count towards like viewership or watch time. So YouTube dealt with it. So we're okay. Okay. What the fudge? All-in-One too many times. Feeling like another ends back again, square one. Okay, send that over here. There we go. Okay, now we're cooking. Escape to stop. Thank you, Radwolf. Like I said, my first time working in an agentic environment here. You guys are giving me good stuff cooking here. And y'all, I think I see 850 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for joining in on the stream. We are seriously on a journey to bring vibe coding to absolutely everybody. So I will get to work. I will be doing push-ups, y'all. I will still have to manually input these and subtract them. But for now, I ain't going to complain. So thank you guys so much. The push-up cam is ready to go. Guys, remember, before you do push-ups, make sure you put on your safety glasses, you crank up the music, you do your push-ups on the drop, and you get to work, y'all. Can't wait to see ya. Here we go. Let's get to it. Funny how the tables turned. Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are, the end. Now you're just a lesson learned, a slowly fading memory, so I can breathe again. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth, but you only fake it. You thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies. I was broken and isolated, but inside held the fire waiting. Woo! Thank you guys for joining in on the journey here. Joker says, I will subscribe with 10 accounts and unsubscribe. Do so every day to make you do push-ups. Please, my man, don't do such a thing. That is awful. Oh, it would put me in so much pain. You guys realize this channel has been blowing up lately? So I've been doing like what feels like 300 push-ups a stream. And it is killing me, guys. But hey, I am not complaining. I appreciate every single one of you guys joining in here. Love the guitars. Thank you. I love them too. Guitar diary here too. Okay, I'll turn down the music. Show you some more of these agents cooking away. 88 viewers right now, guys. Thank you so much. Like the stream. Subscribe for more so you don't miss out on what we are building. Whew. Good stuff. Okay, our Capital Command Center. Hey, this was good that what you put together. The only thing I ask is that You can't be breaking my local host when I'm previewing it. When you do a pull request, simply what we'll do is you make a pull request, and I'll be cooking away like in my local host. And then when I prompt you, you merge all those to main, and then that's when we update our local host preview. Okay, give them that, the love it needs. So here's the thing, like, does that then, like, it doesn't not follow? I'll ask Claude here. Hey, I have a question for you. So I'm working in an agentic development environment, and I'm giving Claude things to remember for moving forward and working with our projects. The only thing I have to ask is, like, obviously between two different Claude agents, it's able to remember a process, but like I have Codex in here. Do I have to then tell Codex the exact same thing so it remembers that process of working? Let's freaking go, guys. W. 88 of y'all in here. Love to see it, guys. Thank you so much. Tuppy the third, our moderator. Guys, one thing I thought of too is I gotta add this to our to-do list here. I want to eventually have the chat show up like flying right here, but only when we're in this view, like when it's full webcam here. So then it, like, I want to show it that like I am talking to you guys directly and you guys can see your own thing. So that's another thing to add. That's another thing to vibe. Do we have to vibe code it? No. It should just be as easy as hook it in there. So clipping stuff is just in general. So I'm gonna kill that. Right under push-up auto, we're gonna have live stream showing. Live stream chat. I'll just say chat showing. Okay. Are you planning to get a job too? I am already working a job full time. I just do this for fun. And when I mean do this, I mean live stream for like 7 hours every day. How do you think he affords Claude subscriptions? Exactly. It ain't government handouts. It's working away, baby. Okay, so right here. Okay, so short answer, yes, you'd have to tell Codex separately today. There's nothing to share between the two, but the fix isn't repeating yourself. Let's put instructions in a file for both them to read. Okay. Like make a markdown file or something. Mark Santos on X. Let's freaking go, baby. Welcome into the X live stream. Your repo is already drifted. What I do, make agents a real source of truth in the repo. Yes, do this consolidation, baby. And I'll actually do this as a consolidation for all of my projects in my GitHub repository. Let's freaking go, baby. Nice and easy. God, it is 100% worth working in an ADE. Helps you stay organized. Feels good. Why can I not just like view the tabs here? I have to... That's frustrating. How do I make it upon a click? So I don't have to have all these open. I literally just want it where it clicks that and it has the 3 tabs here. So we'll open another group tab. Or no, here we can just ask away in here. Or should I just have that as my... Hey, I want it where I can simply just click the title of the tab in Warp instead of having them all drop down and have to click one of the tabs in here. I just want to be able to click the group tab title and be able to like open that up. So how can I do that in Warp here? It recognizes Warp as WP. By WP, I mean Warp. Oliver's asking what we're working on for CoLateral right now. We are going to, so right now we're just with the agentic environment. I'm seriously going to have it like, our Tari application has to update with our GitHub changes. So we're no longer going to be reviewing everything in Vercel right here. And then we're going to separate our like actual desktop app from our website here. Oh, that's cool. Look at all these animations he's doing. We're going to separate our website from our desktop application and have our desktop application cooking. So yeah, what is up, Ron? If you're curious what I'm building, please take a look at my channel. Lots of content there about CoLateral, our distribution center, all of the above, baby. Lots of good stuff. We've gained 6 subscribers real quick since we did the push-ups. I gotta thank you guys so much for that. Keep them coming. Guys, remember, liking the stream. I'm hoping we can get a goal of 300 likes today. So please, one from you is all it takes to build up our community. I just need 300 likes on this stream, and I promise you we will be building a community that will benefit all of us together here. Where are you gonna launch this from? So Oliver, it's obviously for Vercel, we're gonna like have our website. It's gonna be behind a Stripe paywall, and then that'll be like the desktop application CoLateral. Pop a squat. Almost at 860, guys. Keep them coming, baby. Good to see it. So that big. Okay. Let's get our push-up counter. Still 13 minutes into that. One transparent source. Yeah, one transparent source. I thought I explained that pretty well. It's still asking dumb questions. Submit these answers. Great basement. Thank you very much, man. Good to see you here. How am I going to market it? Cold calling. We're going to have a demo video. We're going to have tutorials on how to use the tools. All on social medias, we're going to be distributing this. And that's where a distribution center comes in quite help here. And yeah, like talk to existing engineering firms. All right, baby. So a push-up counter there. And then eventually I want to ask. Let's clear that. Hey, I want to know how I'm able to display the live chat on my stream onto my OBS. So please tell me how I can make this a source. What? It's like clear. I hate how it's different things. Alright, I would just close this up here. This is just miscellaneous stuff cooking right here, y'all. All right, baby. What's up, Hassan? How are we doing today, my man? What do I usually do after vibe coding? I go to sleep and then I wake up and I stream again. Hang out with friends, drink beer. Golf every once in a while is pretty fun. I'm in a dad bod soccer league. Very happy about that. Ooh, take a look here, guys. So right here, screen or window. So this is where we're able to just like display our OBS preview, and it's able to detect the push-ups from that instead of like having to do like another input. And then it's able to update the push-up counter based on what we see there. So I'm going to take a look here on our push-up counter, see what Claude is talking about here. Still cooking away, so it's just working in this browser to do some magic. $8.61, boys. Let's go. What kind of beer do y'all Americans drink anyways? So Ray, my man, I'm Canadian. So I drink a lot of Molson Canadian. I drink a lot of like cheap, crappy beer. But I enjoy myself some IPA, some craft beers too. Wow, I can stay in this basement forever. It is a beautiful basement, baby, but the journey that we're on, we are trying to vibe code our way up and out of it, y'all. Toronto Raps, let's freaking go. This is actually a blanket that I sleep in, baby. Live and die by the Raptors. You know it. You guys freaking know it. Keep on vibe coding away. Oh, yeah. But you have only 859 subs. Thank you, Hassan, for subscribing. Ambers and triples are my favorite. Oh, yeah. I'm an IPA guy myself. Bud Heavy from Sargeton, as long as it's not Bud Light. Yep. Oh, guys, look at that. We got ourselves a clear, transparent push-up counter here. I think we are just moments away from getting this to work. That is insane, guys. It's coming. Just got to review the functionality of it. Make sure it can actually read it, because... guys, this is a pretty brutal camera we have down here, so I am praying we can get something cooking. Guys, 869, that is so nice. Jumping up to 870, y'all. Y'all are showing up. Thank you so much. 871, keep her coming, baby. Thank you guys so much. Woo! Newfie, Sargeton, good to see ya. I'm all the way from Ontario, just outside of Toronto. How do you run multiple agents? This is an agentic environment called Warp that we're working in. This is just new. I'm literally setting this up for the first time on stream today, guys. And oh man, it is seriously like changing the way that vibe coding is working. I'm very, very happy. Okay, so I asked in Warp, it's a short answer. There's no setting for it. Drag the tab out of the group and drop it. Ah, that stinks. Whatever, we'll just work like this. CoLateral, capital command, push-up tracker. That's fine for now. We'll fix that. Blink of an eye, we're gonna be up to 1,000 subs, guys. I really hope we can make it. Make sure you subscribe. I subscribe with 5 accounts. Let's freaking go. If you put in that work, baby, bless your soul. I do want these to be real subscribers, though. 91 viewers watching. You guys showing up. Thank you guys so much for popping in. Absolutely pumped to have you guys here. We're just cooking away. Vibe coding a push-up counter. Every single subscription, we will have a counter that goes up for how many push-ups we got to do, too. Okay, so chat overlay. In OBS, in your source panel, click browser. But what browser? Twitch has it natively. Easiest for Twitch. So that'll be nice if we have it for YouTube. Pop out URL. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Oh, I got a control click. Something went wrong. Oh no. I do like when Google gives like these funny little monkeys and little things when things go wrong. It really calms me down when things are crap in the bed. I'm new. Tell me what you're doing. We're building a push-up counter first and foremost, where every single time we have a subscriber, it'll increase 1 push-up we require to do, and then it's able to track anytime I do a push-up, it subtracts from all the debt that I have to pay off. So if you haven't subscribed already, put me to work. Put this new application to work, baby. From the UK, welcome from the UK. We are streaming here from Canada. Yes, I can't screenshot anymore. Oh no. Social Stream Ninja or Stream Elements. Let's try Stream Elements. Let's get that cooking. Stream Elements, the ultimate streamer platform. The YouTube link you sent me doesn't work. I need you to give me one that actually shows my live chat, please. This is for YouTube, mainly. Well, I guess restream, like, well, oh, wait, I have the chat here. I'm silly. Like, why can't I just have the, like, OBS preview pop up? And can I have that show up transparently? It's just my, why can't I screenshot anymore, guys? Frustrating. Very frustrating. I know, we are so close to 900, guys. This is unbelievable. I don't know, I'm in timeout or something. Yeah, escape to interrupt, that's all it takes. So I'm gonna escape. Oh, we had accept edits on. Let's, there we go. We should be auto mode everywhere now. Okay, actually, I have the whole chat in OBS. Like, is there a way to make it so that pops up on my browser? Like, can I like have like some sort of like screen recording of this and this overlays on my live stream? I don't mind if it's not even transparent. Sargton throwing shade at the Quebecois. From Sweden here, what are we building? My man, we are trying to automate our push-ups. Every time we do a push-up, it takes away from all the debt that we owe. 1 subscriber equals 1 push-up, so you know what to do, my man. Put me to work. From Pakistan, welcome. Thank you, guys. Thank you to all my friends in Pakistan for joining us on our journey. Am I making my shorts manually, Alec is saying. No, they are automated. We have a distribution center that we're going to be working on today in order to fix that up. Basically, these live streams get cut up into long form and shorts, and then we are going to schedule upload those, my man. What's going on? How are we, guys? Poutine, man. You know it. I love me good poutine, baby. Okay. Let's see what we got here. So I do want it where our chat is showing up here. Oh, I hate when it gives a lot of instructions. Goodness gracious, it's just difficult then. Pop out the chat in your browser. 2 ways. From the watch page, open your live stream. Pop out chat. Capture in OBS. Sources window capture. Name it chat in window. Pick the popped out window. Yeah, that's probably just the easiest way. I'm just going to do that. Bangladesh, welcome! Good to see you guys here. Okay, so if we're in here, and why don't I also have it on the push-up counter too? Or the push-up cam, I should say. So if we have a source here, browser, chat. Oh, it's not a browser. Sources window capture. Whoopsies. Let's get rid of that guy. Goodbye. Okay, y'all. Window capture. Chat. Select window. It's going to be our OBS. Wait, can I not grab that? Can it not window capture our OBS? Basement tour, guys. I can give you a basement tour. Let's get a basement tour at 950 subscribers. I know that's a big one, but I promise you, I know we're going to get there very, very, very soon. Hello from China. Hello from Thailand. Guys, where are we all from? Keep them coming. Keep commenting. Oh, this is disappointing. I can't even have OBS as the window that we take a look at. So I'm going to have to actually just have the YouTube chat cooking, I guess. I don't know. I noticed that window share doesn't actually show OBS. Is there any workaround with this? Cooking here. This should come out pretty quick. I promise at 950, we will do a basement tour. I will grab my phone. I will connect the phone to the stream, and you guys can check this out. Oh, shoot. And then the reason why I say 950 is because it's a little messy here, you know? So I don't want to... you got to give me some time to clean up, you know? What's the play for today? Push-up counter, baby. Getting our push-ups automated, Danny boy. Okay. OBS menu bar, docs, custom browser doc. Inside OBS. You don't need to capture anything. It is inside OBS. I have a chat here. Like, it's a separate window. Unless if I did that. And then, yeah, you can see that. So what if I capture now? Like, if I'm in here and we go to window capture, we call it chit chat. Mix server Discord. No. Where the fudge is it? Should I try and code 5 Nights at Nick's basement? Absolutely, Oliver. If you guys want to see 5 Nights at Nick's basement, let's freaking get her going. The only way Oliver's gonna do it, though, is if you like the stream. Guys, we are 9 away from 900 subscribers. If you haven't already, get yourself subscribed to this channel so you don't miss another live stream. That ain't gonna do it. Yeah, fudge. Thanks a Claude. Fudge nuts. Having difficulty there. Why doesn't it recognize chat as a window? That's frustrating. We will get there, guys. I promise. Oh my word, we are 7 subscribers away. Whew! 7 subscribers away. Y'all are cooking. Do you guys know any easy way to get the chat showing up on our live stream? Like if I want it where you guys are like talking right here? Because I just want to show, I do talk to you guys. I do want to show you. $120 you guys watching right now. Let's freaking go. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Let's go. Or we are getting bought and we're jumping up to 3K very soon. Guys, prove that you are not a bot. Spam a W in the chat, like the stream, subscribe for more. We are 5 away from 900, baby. Growing like a mother trucker. Is there something that's not a window capture, like literally just a full screen capture? You feel me? Oh, display capture. Duh. Chat. Oh. Chatty. Capture method. Not the Toshiba. Not that. But this. And then can I crop it? Oh, goodness gracious. Definitely not. Are you kidding me? Can I not? Properties.